If you want to lock apps with Fingerprint on Google Pixel 9a, first of all, we need to go to the settings. Now in the settings, scroll down to security and privacy, and then over here scroll down again to go to private space. And we need to set up the private space to be able to lock apps in the private space. And of course we can also use the fingerprint for that. So after that, let's wait for the sign in page to appear. And then sign into your Google account. You might need to or want to use the Google account that you wish to use specifically in case of some apps that you may find private. After that, you can choose to have a new lock specifically for private space, or you can use the same password that you use for screen lock. In my case, I'm gonna choose new lock, and first we need to enter the password of our phone of the screen lock. There we go, let's proceed. And now we can choose the password for the private space, so for the app lock that we will set up. And in these cases, we can also set up the fingerprint. If for some reason you don't have the option to set up the fingerprint here, you will be able to do that just in a sec after we set up the private space. So let's actually pretend to do so. First, I'm gonna set up a simple PIN code. And let's go next, and then once again enter the new password for the private space and proceed. In my case, I have the option now to set up the fingerprint that I want to use for the private space. And in case you don't see it, then of course I'm just gonna select do it later, but if you can set it up here, then just proceed and scan your finger. If you don't have it, then here's what you need to do. So after that we have done. So to set up the fingerprint, we need to scroll down in the app drawer in order to find the private space over here, tap on this lock and unlock your private space. And then you should be able to find this setting icon here, right next to the lock button. So tap here and then go to private space lock. And here we have face and fingerprint unlock. So we can enter the password and then we can go to fingerprint unlock for private space in order to set up the fingerprint for this private space. And after that, once you set it up, you should be able to unlock the private space with your fingerprint. If you want to now add apps to the private space that will be locked behind that password that we have for private space, we need to simply press install. And even if you already have an app on your phone, so for example, let's say I want to use or I want to lock, I don't know, like something like maybe let's say YouTube, right? Let's say that this is the app that I want to have locked. So it doesn't really matter if I have the app already installed or not, because I have to install it for the private space anyway. So if I press install, I will go to the Play Store, and then I need to simply search for YouTube in order to install it specifically for my private space. So this also means that if possible, you can just uninstall apps that you have outside of the private space if you don't want them to be accessible without the password. Of course, every data that we have inside these apps that we have in private space is completely separated than these apps that we have outside of it. So even if I have these two YouTube apps, this one has different data than this one. So that's about it, and this is the case for every app. So in private space I can have apps that I don't have over here. I just need to simply install them here, and that's pretty much it. We can of course lock the private space anytime we want to, and then you can tap on this lock again in order to unlock it. Of course, if you set up the fingerprint, then you can just scan your finger for that. And if you go to the settings of the private space, then you also have the option to hide the private space here so that it is not visible in this place. And then instead, in order to access the private space, you need to search for it over here in this search field. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!